Tired of battling frizz every morning? Imagine a hair product that not only tames unruly strands but also delivers 20 powerful benefits in one simple step. That's exactly what Keratherapy KeratinFIXX Leave-In Conditioner promises, with caviar extract and argan oil working together to restore and protect your hair's natural beauty. I've tried countless products to control my frizz, but none came close to the results I got with KeratinFIXX. From the moment I applied it to my towel-dried hair, styling became effortless. My hair looked healthier, shinier, and noticeably smoother. It wasn't just about the immediate effect, the softness and manageability lasted well into the next day. Yes, it's a bit pricier than your average conditioner, but the transformation it delivers makes it worth every penny. What sets this leave-in apart? Beyond reducing frizz, it nourishes with rich caviar extract and argan oil, known for their moisturizing and strengthening properties. This blend helps repair damage, protect against heat styling, and boost shine without weighing your hair down. Plus, it leaves a subtle, pleasant scent that lasts, adding a fresh finish to your routine. If you're someone who struggles with dry, frizzy hair or wants a reliable product that simplifies styling while improving hair health, this is worth a look. Just apply it to clean, towel-dried hair and style as you like. No fuss, no sticky residue, just smooth, manageable hair that feels as good as it looks. Ready to make frizz a thing of the past? Give Keratherapy KeratinFIXX Leave-In Conditioner a try when you're ready to invest in your hair's future. It's more than a styling product, it's a complete hair care upgrade that delivers real results you can see and feel.